Hello everybody, my name is Jacques Barokas. I'm from Tel Aviv University Computing Division. My greetings from Israel for the kickoff meeting of our project in Antwerp. I wish I could be there with you now, but I'm sure I will be able to join one of the upcoming meetings so we can work all together. In the framework of my position at Tel Aviv University, I'm in charge of digital media, education of digital media in computing division. Mainly we record courses, video record courses for the students. We produce content to be used on fully online courses. We build repositories for video content, audio content, and we produce video clips to be used in a learning teaching process. So I would like to show you some of the tools that we are using in Tel Aviv University and in some EU programs that we are taking part in. I will talk about learning management systems. I will talk about video and video streaming servers, repositories, and I will mention also chat forums and social media which are widely in use in learning process by students nowadays. So, learning management systems, in short LMS, can be either open source or commercial solutions. They help us to aggregate all learning resources so we can manage them more easily. They enable student-teacher, student-student interaction. They can provide online feedback, evaluation to teachers and sometimes also to the students if they are in the peer review or student-student learning process. And of course we can make online scaffolding to the students. Since we have real-time online feedback about the learning process, we can try to correct things at the process of learning. And now about the video. Video is getting more and more integrated into learning process. And now that we have better and better infrastructure, computers, internet providers, the video is getting more spread and it is more of higher quality and it is more and more effective, so it is more and more integrated in the learning teaching process. Here are some of the benefits of using video. You can, of course, watch and listen again and again some topics until you understand. You can catch up with missed lectures due many different reasons if you miss them. From our statistics and experience, the access to the video recorded content is mostly towards the exams. The video can be very good in assisting to people with accessibility problems. And of course, by using video, you can learn anywhere, anytime, wherever you can get internet, of course. And this makes you help to optimize your time management. We also, using video technology / video conferences, we do courses mutually with shared courses with different universities, mainly from abroad. We almost each semester have one or two courses that we run with universities from USA or Europe. I would like to show you a couple of, or a few examples of products, deliverables that we made in the framework of different EU projects that we participated in the past, so you can have some idea how integrating this kind of tools in EU consortium can be look like. We've been we participated earlier in a very large Consortium EU Network of Excellence Nano to Life, and then NanoEL, NanoSkills, and Quality Nano are three projects that finished or they ended their life cycle a couple of months ago. We are part of Tempus Higher Education Reform Experts, and recently we are taking part in 3 different Tempus projects, 2 other of this project, CES Remo and EduNano. Okay, let's see, for example, a repository that we built for NanoEL Consortium. In this web repository, we aggregated almost 450 lectures. The lectures were made in the framework of this consortium. And though the life cycle of this project ended almost 3 years ago, we are still maintaining the website, and people still getting access to the content that's been recorded by that time. So let's see one example recording. This is a recording
that actually there is a phase transition, quantum phase transition in the transport and in optics. For example, the Hall coefficient changes sign and changes behavior here near optimum doping.
I will lower the volume. So you can see the lecturer, you can see his PowerPoint presentation, and you can see his mouse as a pointing device pointing to different areas in the slide. So we have the experience almost like being in the lecture hall. We have the lecturer, we have the PowerPoint presentation, we have the pointing device, we have the audio. All these are very well synchronized and accessible from anywhere. Okay, let's go on and see some more examples. This is an example of LMS built by NanoEL Consortium. The consortium built 6 or 7 courses on nanotechnologies, master degree for the master degree programs. The courses are hosted on LMS. We can choose some course from here. Let's say Introduction to Nanosensors, and then we go to the course and start the course. We have the syllabi and it's built like a book, this course. You can have the chapters on the left. You can have pages that you can just run to the pages. And okay, whenever you choose one of the pages, let's go one more page forward. And you have in each page different learning content. It can be slides, PDF files, videos, and quizzes. We can just choose one video for
We start now.
For demonstration.
This will affect the quality of the light.
Here also you can see.
If I will plot now.
Just mute it. Here also you can see the lecturer. You can see his. We can change the ratio of the video and PowerPoint presentation whenever he starts using the blackboard, and then we can change it again. You can see the PowerPoint presentation, his mouse pointing to the things they are referring on the slide, and so on. Okay. Also, we have quizzes and other relevant content, but I just want to run more fast because I'm almost out of time. Let's see a few more samples in very brief way. This is, for example, also a reservoir made for another EU project, Quality Nano. We here recorded workshops conducted by the consortium. On the same principle, we have PowerPoint presentations, video, and so on. And one more example from higher education reform experts. We provide them we facilitate them recording of all the meetings that they are holding in different various places in Europe. You can see here our recordings uploaded to YouTube, and I can show you how things can be
ladies and gentlemen,
shown
good
also.
afternoon. Once again, it is my great pleasure as...
Okay, let's turn off the... it's made like a playlist. We have, I think, 10 or 50 recordings in this meeting, for example. I don't remember, but we can go here and choose each we have 11 recordings out of this meeting. You can choose any of these recordings, jump in time when you are, and you can see now, I think we are one of the many few in YouTube that can prepare presentation like this with screen divided in 2/3 and 1/3, which one part has the PowerPoint presentation and the other the video. We can make out of it full screen, and this way you can see it more clearly, and you can also benefit all the features of Google Player, a YouTube player, in which you can have captions and translation and transcoding of the video, so on. Okay, let's go on. The next slide, it's a summary of the recording system that we are using, the benefits of this system. Of course, real-time lectures, video, and presentation integration, very short recording setup time in any lecture hall. We have, this is a mobile gear. We can, I can travel it. I did most of the recordings abroad with suitcase, and just in a couple of minutes it can be assembled and it is ready to use. We can do live webcasts in a format that you see, PowerPoint presentation and video side by side. We can use interactive live webcast in which we get textual chat as a input or interaction from the audience. And we have also a simple solution that a lecturer, as I'm doing now, can sit near by his laptop and preparing rich media PowerPoint presentation. I can show you in a moment. It will take just a moment. I will go for a while to my desktop, and I will run this software. It is a very simple software, just manage a few things, and here I can open my camera, and I can open a PowerPoint presentation. Let's pick some PowerPoint presentation. I can put them side by side. And actually, I'm now ready to run my presentation. I can start my presentation. I can show a couple of slides. And just before I need to start recording it, I also use another software to start recording. Now I'm ready. At this moment, I can talk, run my slides, and whenever I finish my presentation, it will take really a couple of minutes. I can take this single video clip, which is the output of my recording system, upload it to the YouTube, and it will be ready there. So let's see how it is working. I stop everything. I play the file, and now you can see whatever I recorded, including my PowerPoint presentation, a pointing device, the slides which I run, and all I need to do, if I would like to share this with my colleagues, to upload it to some video server or YouTube, and it is ready to be used. Let's go back to the presentation. Seem to be shut down. We were here, and I think I have one more slide to go. This is a screenshot of a live webcast with interactive chat. I mean, a lecturer or Even some technician can sit in his lab using a laptop and a camera. He can demonstrate some tests, experiments. He can integrate the interface of machines to his video and start a live webcast. On the remote end can be students or remote participants. They use any chat software. It can be even Facebook chat. And by using this chat software, they can ask from time to time questions, and the answers will be live webcasted to the students. And everything, of course, can be recorded. Well, some numbers to summarize the things that we are doing in Tel Aviv University. We are recorded so far over 600. I think this data is completely outdated. We are at the moment about 800 complete courses, and of course, and also around 10,000 recording hours. We are doing lately very large scale of fully online courses. This recording system is also in use in more institutions in Israel. I think this summarized the tools that I wanted to show you, and I hope at least some of them can be implemented or be used in the framework of our project. So I hope it wasn't too long. Thank you very much, and I wish you very successful kickoff meeting, and looking forward to meet you soon in somewhere in Europe. Thank you.